Good morning, everybody. Rick here. I'm here by Lathem. It's just a little tiny community, but it's another stone arch bridge. This rock bridge, stone arch bridge, was actually built in 1905 by the Walter Sharp Company. There's quite a few of these scattered everywhere. Anyway, it's a very foggy, hazy, drizzly morning this morning. I took a gamble and thought, well, I'll go ahead and try it and see if we can do something this morning. So here we are. And as always, if you would like to, I'm inviting you to come along and join me this morning. So come on along. Okay, there again, this is the Rock Creek Stone Arch Bridge, not too far from Lathem, Kansas. It's really just a little tiny community. It's just not really a town. I just about talked myself out of doing this morning, but I thought, what the heck, I'll go ahead and try it this morning. A little drizzly, not bad, but very hazy, very foggy, whatever you might call it. And I don't know if I've mentioned this previously. If I have, you forgive me, but this is also known as the Lathem Bridge. It's like I said earlier on other videos, that when it's cloudy like this, it really brings that green out, I think. Really pretty out this morning. Really nice. And just other than being foggy and hazy, but you know what I mean. Well, let's see if we can kind of take a look at this stone arch bridge here. I'm not sure which way to go. This over here has been recently mowed, and I'm just assuming that's all private property. It's not, there's no signs or anything, but you know, it's been recently mowed, so more than likely is. But I'm not going down there. I'm going to just leave all that alone. I'm just here to look at this stone arch bridge this morning. So let's go down there and take a look. Somebody keeps jumping in and out of the water down there. I don't know what that might be. Some big fish, I guess. It was quite a drive out here. Well, let's just see if we can get a little peek here. There's a barbed wire fence down there. Oh gosh, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to get out there to take a peek. I might have to go through a bunch of really high grass, wet grass at that. But let's give it a whirl here and see what happens. Okay. Very large stones. Very large. And there are strings hanging down. What appears to be maybe two green strings and maybe a white string that's hanging down from the top of the bridge. I have no idea why that's there. These stones are really huge. I know you can't probably tell it in the video, but this is one of the larger stone arch bridges I've been to. I'm just glad I was able to get this far. I didn't know if I was even going to be able to get this far or not. Got a really singing bird this morning. It's really singing. I'm just glad after driving all this way, I was actually able to view the bridge. Well, let's go see if we can look at this from another perspective here. This is actually the road part of the bridge. Very large stones. Still drizzling just a little bit, but not bad. I just almost changed my mind this morning. Like I said earlier, I'm kind of glad I didn't now. Well worth the trip out here. Well, I don't know if we're going to be able to get down here or not. Probably not. But we'll see what we can do here. Yeah, that's quite a drop off down there. So, I don't know. We might be able to get down here. Doesn't really show you anything too much. Okay, this side view is just going to be as good as I can get. And there again, there's those strings that's hanging down from the top of the bridge all the way down. I don't know what that's for. Okay, let's go back up here. Yeah, it just does not appear like I'm going to be able to get. Here's another side view. There's barbed wire fencing, and I sure don't want to slide down into that. But Okay. Well, at least I was able to get that one angle, or that one view, pretty good anyway. Yep. I think that one side I was on is probably going to be as good as I want to get. Yeah, but anyway. I just don't think this is just as good as I want to get. Now here's this side. Okay, well, I think this side I was on over here is probably the best view that I can get. I see there's a private property sign. It's kind of hidden. Well, it's not really hidden, but so that means anything from that fencing on back is private property. But I'm just here to get a glance at this bridge, and then we'll probably go on. I'll go down here one more time because I'm still on the other side of the fencing. Gotta do a 360 here. Very, very well built. Those blocks that are lining the inside of the arch are very large. Okay, well, there you have it. That is the Rock Creek, otherwise known as Lathem Stone Arch Bridge, built in 1905 by the Walter Sharp Company. Very nice. Very pretty. I know I say that a lot. I apologize. I'm really not trying to repeat myself, but it is just very pretty this morning. Even with the fog, or the haze. It's just really pretty this morning. We'll go up and get one more glance of this creek on either side. Also, I know I don't say this very often, and I really should, and I apologize for that. I do thank all of my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I'm glad that you enjoy my videos. It means a lot to me. I do this for entertainment only, as I've said many, many times. Very well maintained property. Very nice. It's almost like a fall morning this morning. It really is. And here we are into the almost middle of August, and it just feels like a fall morning. But it doesn't look like a fall morning. It feels like a fall morning, I guess I should say. I guess it could be early fall. Okay, well, I thank you for joining me this morning on visiting another very old stone arch bridge. And again, I thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching these. I think we're going to wrap it up for now. This is Wednesday. Hope you all have a nice day, nice safe day. And as always, I will see you on the next video. So, goodbye for now. Okay, I am back. I was on my way home and I found, thank goodness for the sign, one of those brown signs that tells you when you're nearby another stone arch bridge. It was just out of luck. I was just on my way home and here it is. This is so cool. This is actually a double arch bridge. This is so cool. You know, it's just amazing what you can find when you're just out driving around like this. Pretty cool. We're going to go check this out. So, let's go check out this double arched stone arch bridge. Now, I don't know the name of the bridge. I don't know when it was built. Like I said, I just happened to find this on the way home. So I just don't have any information at this time. This does look very familiar though, but I've been to so many of these, they all kind of start to look familiar after a while. But like I said, this actually has two arches. This is a very large. I'm almost up here. And we'll take a look at these. I get a very good view. Nice view of these double arched bridge this morning. Look at that. Very cool. I just wished I had the year and all that, but I just don't on this one. Let's walk on up here. You know, this does look very familiar. It really does. Oh, you know what? Yeah. The more I look at this, yeah, I've been here before. Okay. Well, that's all right. I did not know that at the time. But yes, I do believe I've been here before. But since I drove down this way, we'll just take another look at it. Yeah, when I first pulled up, I thought, this looks very familiar. Okay. Yeah, because I remember, there again, it just looks like somebody just poured concrete over here and just let it sit. Oh yeah. Yep, I remember this. I'm gonna try to get over here. I think the haziness has kind of went away. It's still very cloudy, but there's no more drizzle, and the haziness of the fog is lifted somewhat. Okay. Oh yes. Yep, I remember this. Yep, I sure do, because there's that middle that juts out between the two arches. Okay. Yep. I've been here. Wow. Okay. Well, that's the way it goes. Like I said, at first it did look somewhat familiar, but then I see this here with that little piece that juts out between the arches. Yep. Okay. Okay. Wow. I was looking at these flowers over here. These are very, very pretty flowers. Growing up from the depths of this concrete. Wow. Oh boy. Well, that's the way it goes. You know, I've done so many of these, and these flowers are just everywhere. I just did a close-up on. They're just scattered all over, down and through here. Yep. They'll all be. Yep. Alrighty then. I was all excited. I thought, oh wow, I'm going to get to do another venture on another stone arch bridge. Well, yeah, I did, but I've already been here. Yep, sure have. Well, that's okay. Well, maybe when I get home I can review my videos and find out which one this is. Yeah, of course I remember the piece that juts out between the arches, but also remember this very long approachway leading up to the top of the bridge. Very long. An uprooted tree down there with plant life growing out of it. Yep. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. I'll have to do my Colombo type investigation and see if I can get or watch the video of this particular bridge. Wow. Flowers are very prominent. They're literally just all over the place. There's kind of a far away view. It's not easy to get down there, and it's quite a drop off. I think I had the same problem last time I was here. Alright. Wow. That's crazy. Alright, well, I guess we're going to go on. Alright, well, hope you all have a nice day. Thanks for joining me. And I'll catch you on the next video. So, goodbye for now.